The team worked extra hard for them to get those points in an explosive game against the Dynamos, and like I said even in the last interview, that game is gone. What we need is now to focus on the game that is coming. Is local derby, and the derbies are not easy. Maybe our biggest enemy can only be complacency, but once we focus on that and get into the system and hopefully come out with a positive result, to be better for us.
You spoke about Divine. How far is he from coming back?
Is not very far. He is training with the team. We are working hand in hand with the doctors, and hopefully we try our level best to see that he is ready to start doing what everyone is doing. But I think so far he is looking that he is catching up with everybody.
Is it the injury from last year?
Yes, it's the same one.
How about Mukuni, Darlington?
Darlington is still work in progress. There are one or two things that will need to get clarification once he sees the specialist, and then from there we can give a feedback.
Any more questions for the question?